Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go working in 2025. You can get a ton of free coins in Pokemon Go using a simple redeem code, and like I said, this is working in 2025 and it's going to save you a bunch of money because coins are not cheap. You can see 5,200 Pokecoins costs almost $50 and I'm going to show you how to get even more than that for completely free. So you need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet browser, and you've got to go to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So copy this down, robot coupons. This is a coupon code website. They have game codes and tons of different things on here. You need to just navigate your way to the Pokemon Go free Pokecoins and more page. Pretty easy to find. There is also a search bar at the top, so you can search for it in there, and it's usually one of the top picks as well. So you can see you can get 10,000 free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go using a simple promo code. You can also get remote raid passes as well. You can see these codes are limited in number, so there is a process of unlocking your code. So I'm choosing the free Pokecoins promo code, and you can see you need to unlock your redeem code. This is completely normal, basically prevents people from stealing all of the free Pokecoins. So there is a process and it takes a few minutes to unlock your code. You can see, guys, it says code unlocker, and you need to follow these instructions you see on this screen. So it says complete 2 of the things below to unlock your code, and then follow the instructions below each app. So you can see there is a list of different things. These can be like mobile games or answering questions and surveys. You just need to complete 2 of them following the instructions below each one. So an example would be this Travel Town. It says download and complete level 9. So this is like a mobile game where you would click on it, download it from the App Store, and just follow the instructions and complete level 9. Or there is surveys like this one, where you can literally just answer questions and input your valid and correct email address just to confirm you're a real person. And once you've done that, your code will be revealed. Obviously, I just skipped to that step, but yeah, if you do everything correctly and complete the verification, your code will be revealed. You can enter it in-game, and it's going to supply you with 10,000 free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go, and that is going to save you a bunch of cash. So go to Robot Coupons, find this Pokemon Go page and unlock your code, and enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.